Yeah, hello. So today I want to show you my new motors on the Bf20 machine. So before I used 2 Newton meters closed loop steppers, and these are integrated servo motors from JMC with 180 watt. So here on the side axis. So the price of this motor is very cheap. So it was 130 euro, including custom and shipping costs. So this is still open wire here, so still configuration. Yeah, but I found nearly the best parameters for these motors, and now I want to show you the performance here. This is the workpiece I want to air mill now. So, and let's have a look what's happened. So this is absolutely fantastic. You can go much more faster with the motors, but I think this is too dangerous. So with this small machine, and yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I also replaced the motor on my round axis. There is a harmonics drive inside with a gear reduction of 1 to 50. The servo motor turns with 5,000 rounds per minute, and let's have a look at the speed. So that is the speed right now. I think it's fast enough.